NuSmile Restore is the newest continuing education workshop in pediatric dentistry, where practicing clinicians and residency programs not only get the opportunity to become a master at placing aesthetic crowns, but all of NuSmile's restorative products, such as zirconia crowns, pre-veneered crowns, BioFlex crowns, stainless steel crowns, space maintainers, MTA-based pulp therapy materials, and liners. Restore will contain 10 continuing education hours, 2 of those hours being virtually recorded sessions where 5 board-certified pediatric dentists discuss the science behind NuSmile's products and why they were chosen for those various treatment plans. The remaining 8 CE hours are held in person at one of our amazing worldwide course locations, where the same leading pediatric dentists will take a deep dive into their own clinical restoration cases with you, as well as give you all the tips and tricks needed during the hands-on training to make you feel completely confident in placing all of NuSmile's restorative products. So make sure to sign up online at NuSmile.com and become part of the NuSmile family. Here at NuSmile, we're family and we smile ahead.